I here did my first cam swap in 30 plus years. It's a little 305 I'm working on. Building it to get put in that truck there to get the 468 out to put in this truck here. So anyway, picked up a nice little 305. Went and got a cam for it yesterday, putting the cam in to make it sound good. And because 305s are bolt anchors in my opinion, but put the cam in and make it sound good, and somebody will like it running in that truck. Because we're just getting that truck to sell, because all we want is that engine. So anyway, just thought I'd update you guys on one of the steps of the process. Well, I haven't videoed much of this process here. This is the 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 4-wheel drive that I picked up fairly cheap. I picked it up for this monster motor right here. I got a video clip of it running. I'll insert that now. Okay, so found this truck on Facebook Marketplace. It's up there in Maryville. A younger gentleman had it. He never drove it. He had a wife and a few kids, and the wife said he needed to go because he needed a house. So I went up there and picked it up, hauled it home with the with my old 19 Prius, I like to call it. And I've had it here now for about almost 2 months. I've had it in the yard a few times looking to sell the whole package to save me all this trouble. But anyway, so now I'm out here taking the headers off of it, getting ready to take all the motor mount bolts loose. I'm gonna try to pull this motor out here in a couple days when I get some help. And then I've got another motor built to go in it. Hang on, I'll show you that. Okay, so I built this small block here to go in its place. And so still got to finish buttoning it up, put the thermostat in it and cooler, put the rest of the pulleys on. I got all the chrome pulleys. I bought off eBay for $100. Alternator bracket, power steering pump, pulleys, everything. Because this was a late model serpentine. I had to go back to V-belt and convert it back to carburetor. So anyway, got it all buttoned up. Got some long tube headers for it to go in there that had laid around for a while. So all in all, I probably got about maybe $500 in this engine. Put a cam in it, because I found a cam on Marketplace, brand new comp cam. Should have a pretty good lick to it for $100. The guy wanted to change it. He put it in there, I guess dynoed it, broke it in, and didn't like the torque curve. So I just want to make some noise. So I bought it, put it in there for $100. And so for roughly $500, I'll get this big block. And we'll tear it down and see what's in it. She's pretty radical. I've got this right here swapped out. Guy runs old 32s, 38s, whatever. He builds old hot rods. He loves a dual setup. So I'm going to trade him this dual setup for a Performer intake with a single Demon 850 with Barrett James pumpers in it. And it'll be under the hood, so it'll be a lot better streetable platform for the Gray Ghost. So anyway, so working on getting all this taken out, and then I'll get this out, get all this cleaned up, clean some of these rat nests and wiring, go through it, paint it, make it look respectable, and then bought a few interior pieces for it. Got a new window to go right there. Somebody broke the window at it. So we'll make it look respectable, and hopefully someone buys it. We'll keep you posted. See you on the next one. Okay, so update on the truck. We got the motor in there, got it running, and just gotta get the time to sit on it. I gotta come in here and paint all these fender wells and clean all that up. Still gotta clean up this wiring mess back there, but we got the engine in it, got it running, so should make a nice little truck. And that's the hood off of that gray truck right over there. Had it painted red, and so got the engine in, got the tires back on it, and painted all the wheel wells, and painted the frame, and drive axles, everything. So did all that, and then on the insides I've been working on that. It had some nasty it had the carpet here, and it was just all rotted and covered in mud, and painted the door panels. As you can tell, that over there, otherwise what they look like before. So I got this painted, took it all off and painted it, sanded it. Probably gonna take the dash out and paint the dash. I've got new vents to go in here, so I'll probably pull the dash out of it, paint the dash, because that paint's because the dash is good, just needs to be painted. I don't know why they got gray. It's even unfinished gray, but it's a real pad, so it's a real full, not a skin, it's a real dash. So I'll pull it off and paint it red, and hopefully it turns out. I get this window replaced because this rain is just flooding this truck. It has rained like non-stop, man. But anyway, so yeah, and the seat, I'm deciding whether I want to put a cover on it. It's only got one small tear on the other side of the chassis. You can tell it's worn and faded, so I could probably paint it as well. I'm trying to decide if I want to put a cover over it, or just leave it like it is. I might buy a cover like 50 bucks and put on it. But anyway, so there's that, getting her looking pretty good. And that door there closes great. The other side needs a bushing. But yeah, there's that. So there's that one square body. She's almost complete, ready to go to the front yard and sell it. And hopefully I get more than I paid for it, actually, which will give me this free big block out of the deal right there. I'll get that. I will gain that right there for free, which is a 468 Pretty Radical, and it's going to go in this bad boy right here. So there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you guys on that build there, the Gray Ghost. It should prove to be a pretty good little monster when we get done with it. So we'll go get this video put together and show you guys my square body. I've been working on this truck here for, I've been working on that truck up there 2 months now. A lot of work, a lot of long process of why it took 2 months, but we got it done. So it's almost ready to hit the front yard, and life will get back to normal. Well, we're gonna start that project. That project already is gonna take a while. That's a big project. Play pro straighten that truck. So we'll keep you guys through the build of that process. So we'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.